Hello guys, Top Passive Project here. Welcome in my channel. I'm Kamil. I'm from 10 years in passive project industry, from 5 years in copy trading industry, and I was checking in that time many different opportunities. And after 5 or even now will be tomorrow 6 months in this copy trading Sonic AI opportunity team, I can tell you with 100% confidence that this is one of the best passive opportunity in copy trading industry. Today I will show you a presentation. I will make, I hope, quick presentation with the most important things about the Sonic AI on tech markets. So I hope you will be enjoyed. Before I will start, I need to tell you once again, like on every video, that you always in this industry, you need to always remember about the risk. Yes, about this, that past results never guarantee future results in trading, and you only need to invest money that you afford to lose. Okay, so remember about the risk, and if it's clear, then I can show you my screen. Okay, guys, so today I will show you the presentation about Sonic AI. Sonic AI is the trading team that making a great performance past 17 months, guys, 17 months of very consecutive positive months. They was testing all environment on tag broker before they go live. After 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 months of testing, they say, okay, we are ready. Now we can start to go to the public. Okay. And they start in September 2025 with CopyFX on tag markets, and from that on, they closing every week on the profit. Okay, even guys, when the market conditions was very difficult in January and February on the gold, there was a new ATH, I don't know how to say in English, but the new highest price, yeah. And the bigger drops on the price of the gold, that was these 2 months, January and February. So yes, that was very difficult to trade on that market because, you know, when there are no any history data and history prices, then are you are able to guess, you know, what will be in the next move. But after the gold was stable in March and now in April, it's really better. So in last weeks, we can say it was about 8% week before, and last week it was about 7%. This is from the week before, 8%, and uh, I don't have a record from the in English group, so I will go to Polish and then I will show you last week 7% on X24 accounts. And this is very important, guys, that this X24 accounts, how it works here. So we have here tag markets broker. Okay, tag markets broker is nothing else than a regulated broker in by the Financial Service Commissions in Mauritius. You can check the license on the Financial Service Commission site when you tap in TM Financials, okay? And that broker is almost 3 years old. And what is very special about this broker is Amplify supercharging your profits. So Amplify accounts. They have Amplify accounts. What does it mean? Amplify accounts is like it's working like a prop firm account, yeah, funded account, but without a challenge. So how I can explain it in very simply words? There are no many rules like in many prop firms. You have only few rules, maybe even one rule. The main rule is you can't lose more than 10% on that X12 accounts. Okay, so the most important rule is this 10% drawdown. When you reach that drawdown, you just lose your account. Okay. Another thing that is very important is you can withdraw your money after 30 days from the deposit date. So you have 30 days capital lock in, but profits are withdrawable from day one. Okay. And this is most important thing about this 12x account. The second important thing about this Amplify account, it's limited offer like a 24 accounts. And this is very important because this is temporary. In May, CEO confirmed on leadership that there will be some changes in May. So in next few days, we can say on the beginning on the May, he will announce, he will say about the changes. But for now, everyone who will activate X24 accounts, he will have the old rules about the 24 accounts. So this is very important, guys. If you are searching for something stable and long term, you need to put here even 10, 20, 50, $100. $10 is minimum, okay? And then you will be able to activate your X24 accounts on Sonic Strategy. Sonic Strategy is a group of traders with 15 years professional experience. Okay, with managing money in forex markets, worked with private family offices and institutional clients. All right. They are very, very profitable. They have about 87%, how to say, positive trades. Okay. It's more than 80% in last 70 months. What is very important is they have only two maximum stop losses, one by one, in last 70 months. The average trade duration is 15 minutes, but this could change. Okay. But what is most important thing for you guys is that they need to have 34 consecutive losing trades to reach that 5% drawdown. Okay. And in last 70 months, they have only two maximum consecutive losses. Okay. Another important thing is that when they my upline, he has $60,000 in Sonic, and he found from last 6 months the bigger loss in his personal account, and he calculate that to reach that 5% of drawdown, he needs to reach 146 stop losses with Sonic AI, one by one, with the bigger loss, the biggest loss, to reach that 5%. So, in our opinion, it's even more stop losses needed to reach that 5% drawdown. Okay, so guys, this is one or the best risk assessments that I see anywhere. Okay, that is the one thing. And second thing is that they are so stable. You can check all history in the MyFX book. They are so stable and growing so nice with only 0.86% drawdown in the last 17 months. Okay, so on X24 accounts you have X24 on your capital. So you put in about, let's say, $1,000, and then you have $24,000. You can't lose more than 1200, sorry, $1,200. Okay, so this is when you go to when you compare the maximum drawdown to monthly profits, because as you can see, when you have 1.2% monthly from trading, it doesn't attractive to you, okay, to your attention. But if you have 24x from that, so if you're putting 1,000, you have $24,000 on your balance, and you have 1% monthly from that 24,000, that is more attractive. Okay, so we have here about 15% plus minus net profit after 30% profit share in our accounts. It's 15% for you after all fees. You don't need to pay any subscription, any activation fee, any license fee. You just paying 30% profit share every Sunday. The system automatically taking from your account 30%. That's so easy, guys. So guys, in my opinion, the comparing this 0.86% or even 0.26% from last 6 months or 7 months, when we compare this to 15% profits, this is something you can't you can't see this anywhere else. Okay, that's why this is so attractive. This is so interesting. This is 1% copy trading. You don't need to check this. They just opening the trades on your account, and that's all. You don't need to do anything. You just need to, if you want, go to your Tac Markets back office and click reinvest if you want. If not, you just can withdraw your profits. Okay, so what is very important as well, and this is, guys, amazing results. 113,000, almost 114,000 people already copy them. This is a huge number. When I was joined about October this year, there was about 13,000, 13,000 people. Now it's more than 100. And because of that, Sonic team decide to give to us all commissions that they normally get to them. They giving this to us, guys. Giving this to us. So how it is looks like every $2,500 in Sonic giving us one share. From what we know for now, in this pool is more than $2 million. So we don't know how much one share will be cost on the end of this month because this is only first time in the history of that project. So we can't even speculate how much it will be, but this is very nice promotion, and this is very big thank you from the trading team that we as a community are growing so much. The momentum is high like never before. It's like more than two or not, even 3,000 people starting to copy them every day. This is really crazy. They've gotten more than 6,000 clients every day, and they have already almost million clients. They have 350 billion monthly trading volume, and they growth 21x in 2025 from 30,000 users up to more than 600,000 in 12 months. They have 75 liquidity providers. This is very important because on the prop firms, even on the bigger one, like on FTMO, we are trading on demo accounts. Even if you have live accounts, then even then you are trading on demo. You are trading on the closed environment. Here, you are connecting to liquidity providers, 75 top liquidity providers. Our upline, top leader from Poland, he visit the company and check all documents or contracts with that liquidity providers to confirm us that this is true. Okay, so we are connected to Leaf market and we are trading on a Leaf account on MetaTrader 5. So as you can see, this is my MetaTrader 5 account when I'm connected to TAG markets. Okay, like you see, TM financials. All right, and here I have all trading history that I never touched here anything on MetaTrader 5. I only connected it in October, 23 October. I can show you my first deposit, $500, X24 from 500, it's about 12,000, yeah? So $12,000, 1% from $10,000, it looks like this, yeah? After my first 5 months, and this was difficult market, like I already told you, the performance wasn't really good, but even with that bad performance, I was able to make 100% in 5 months. So from this $500, I generate $1,000 on my balance. And after that, I that minus, as you can see, it's only with reinvest. Yeah, this is not losing trades, so don't worry. Most of trades are positive. They are very very consecutive with this aspect. So I when I hear about this Sonic Pool promotion, I decide to put 1,500 more just to accumulate a 2,000 and half. So $2,500. Yeah. And this is my deposit. This 1,500, it was somewhere here. Like you see, 1,000 and half x24, it's 55,000. So from that on, from that date, my profits was much higher. Okay, much higher. This is all with balance. It's reinvest. Okay, this is my reinvest from today, and I will show you this on my back office. The same thing. You can check here. Strategies. Okay. So here, as you can see, it's 2,070,753. Now it's working for me. And at 8th of April, so 2 weeks ago, I put this, I have here 2,500. And now after reinvesting, after 2 weeks of reinvest, I have $2,753. Okay. So this is very, very nice performance. And you need to remember that you can withdraw your initial deposit 30 days after first deposit or 30 days after your last reinvest. So if you would like to have always after this 30 days, if you would like to have always available this initial deposit, but you would like to reinvest anyway, then you can just create the other account with the different code, because how to create that X24 accounts? You need to write to me or to your upline for special code for X24, and he will provide you the special code. Okay. And now, if you would like to have always available after this 30 days your deposit, you can withdraw your profits to the balance, then from balance to the other strategy, like not other, but Sonic, but different account, trading account. And then you are not reinvesting on the same account, but on the different one. But after 30 days, you are able anyway have, you can always withdraw your initial capital if you would like to. So this is nice trick. Just I would like to share you guys. Maybe it will be, something important for you. So from the most important, more of important things is that you have here the transparent CEO. Okay, CEO is very transparent. There are a lot of interviews with the Tech Markets founder, so you can meet him. You can hear about his history. He's very hard worker, and he was starting with network marketing at age 17, and at age 19 he made first million. Okay, now he is 28 and he is in broker industry for many years, and he's answering on all questions, guys. And there are a lot of questions from community. You can view a lot of interviews with him to meet him more and maybe feel a little more safe. But the very important thing that our deposits are holding in banks, yeah. The security is very important thing for Nick, his name of CEO of Tech Markets, and this CEO is special because in normal world, when you join any broker, then you never know who is behind this broker, you know. And here we know who is the CEO, who is the founder, and even if you have some big community in that broker, then you are able to join on a leader call ship, Zooms, you know, and every week we are on the special leader call Zoom with CEO to have a lot of updates. So this is very interesting aspect. Another one. Yes, I know. So, guys, when we back to the MetaTrader 5, like I told you, I put here $500 6 months ago. About 2 weeks ago, I top up 1,500. Now my profits looks like this. So this is $1,158 profits. Of course, this is not showing me 50% profit share. Okay. Another thing that you could be interested is the marketing plan. So when you joining the community, then you are able to generate your special code. Okay, the special link. Sorry, and then you are able to receive a small percentage from your referral profit share. So if we paying 30% from that profits that are generated, the 25% going back to the community, to the marketing plan, yeah, for 10 levels. So every one person direct invited to your structure, opening you another level. If you have 10 personal people, then you have unlocked 10 levels deep, 2.5% per level from profit sharing generating in your team. Yeah. Another profits are from commissions, transactions commissions, yeah, per lot. There are as well CPay earnings and leader pools. So this is like when you're generating some turnover in specific month, then you are able to have some bonuses. Okay. So of course you don't need to refer anyone. This is optional only for people that would like to share with something interesting with others. Then you are able to earn. When your team is earning, then you are earning passively. You are inviting one time some people, and then you are getting commissions every week from your team. Okay. So this is important. I hope I describe everything. I told you everything about this great opportunity. So I hope this was clear enough to understand how it is working. So if you are interested, just write to me for a special code for X24, and remember that that X24 accounts will be changed in next month. So this is very important to not wait too long and register this month in April, because we don't know what they will change with this Amplify to X24 accounts at May. So conclusion for today, Zoom today presentation. Last week results 7%, before week results 8%. Average net profit of approximately 15%. Profit sharing 30%, no subscriptions or activations fee. Yeah, so we are talking about 15% net after the profit share commissions. Okay, number of subscribers now, this is more like 100,000 people. 70 months of my FX book history, efficiency more than 80% over 70 months. So more than 80% trades from all trades was closed positively. In last week, we have 12 or on 12 positive trades. So 100% efficiency was in last week. Okay, guys, max drawdown is only 0.86% in last 70 months. Every week since 70 months has been profitable despite the recent challenging conditions for trading gold. Low minimum entry is a great aspect because this is available for everyone. Everyone, I think, can afford $10. Okay, just for checking is that something for him or not. Okay. And the most important thing, best possible conditions for new members only until the end of April. Account changes are expected to take effect in May on X24. And guys, in my opinion, this is one of the best copy trading system in the world. This channel is the top passive project, so this is a top passive copy trading opportunity. If you have any more question, if you would like to receive all instructions how to join, and you need my support, you need the special code for X24, write to me. The contact for to me is in the description of that video. For now, that's all. Thank you for watching and leave a subscription button, please, and see you in next videos. Bye bye.